अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। सूरतुल अनाम मक्किया, आया 116 to 120। इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। With the name of Allah, the all merciful, the very merciful. وَإِن تُطِعْ أَكْثَرَ مَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ يُضِلُّوكَ عَنْ سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ إِنْ يَتَّبِعُونَ إِلَّا الظَّنَّ وَإِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا يَخْرُصُونَ. If you obey the majority of those on earth, they will make you lost the way of Allah. They follow nothing but whims, and they do nothing but make conjectures. Inna rabbaka huwa a'lamu man yadillu an sabilihi wa huwa a'lamu bil muhtadin. Surely your Lord best aware of those who go astray from his way, and he is best aware of those who are on the right path. فَكُلُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ إِن كُنتُم بِآيَاتِهِ مُؤْمِنِينَ. So eat the flesh of that animal upon which the name of Allah has been invoked when slaughtering, if you do believe in his verses. وَمَا لَكُمْ أَلَّا تَأْكُلُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ وَقَدْ فَصَّلَ لَكُم مَّا حَرَّمَ عَلَيْكُمْ إِلَّا مَا اضْطُرِرْتُمْ إِلَيْهِ وَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا لَيُضِلُّونَ بِأَهْوَائِهِمْ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِالْمُعْتَدِينَ. What should cause you to avoid eating of that upon which the name of Allah has been invoked, while he has spelled out to you all that he has made unlawful for you, except that to which you are compelled by extreme necessity? Surely there are many who misguide people on the basis of their desires without having knowledge. Surely your Lord is the best knower of those who cross the limits. وَذَرُوا ظَاهِرَ الْإِثْمِ وَبَاطِنَهُ إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يَكْسِبُونَ الْإِثْمَ سَيُجْزَوْنَ بِمَا كَانُوا يَقْتَرِفُونَ. Leave outward sin and inward sin. Surely those who commit sin shall be punished for what they used to commit. Sadaqallahul Azim.